हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू द सलील स्टडी ग्रुप। और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं करंट अफेयर्स फॉर द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल। और इसके अंदर हमने इन टॉपिक्स को ज़्यादातर हमने कवर कर लिया। पीपल इन न्यूज़ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इट। पीपल इन न्यूज़ के बाद वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द डिफेंस ऑल्सो, कि डिफेंस में जो कुछ करंट अफेयर्स का हुआ था वो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। ठीक है, इसके बाद हमारे पास कुछ और चीज़ें बची हैं जिनको हमने डिस्कस करना था, जैसे ऑबिचुरीज। ऑब्वियसली हमने ऑबिचुअरी डिस्कस कर लिया है, डिफेंस हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है, पीपल इन न्यूज़ को हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है, उसके बाद रैंक्स को हमने कहीं ना कहीं डिस्कस कर लिया है, बायोडाइवर्सिटी को हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है। तो आज की स्लाइड में, आज की इस वीडियो में आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द अवार्ड्स पार्ट। और दूसरी चीज़ जिसके बारे में मैं बात करूंगा, स्पोर्ट्स। तो इन स्पोर्ट्स और अवार्ड्स के ऊपर मैं ये वीडियो आपके साथ लेके आया हूँ। आई होप कि इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू। तो क्विकली स्टार्टिंग इट ऑफ, ये हमारे पास पूरा रूटीन था इस मंथ का, जो कि हमारा वीक 1 चल रहा है फॉर द प्रिपरेशंस। और वीक 1 में वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल दीज टॉपिक्स लाइक डिफेंस, बुक्स एंड न्यूज़। और इन सारों को हमने टेस्ट भी किया है जब जाके अपने क्वेश्चन पिटारा पे। तो क्वेश्चन पिटारा पे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल थिंग्स, वी हैव टेस्ट, हमने मॉक टेस्ट इसके ऊपर लगा दिए जितने भी हमारे मॉक टेस्ट हो सकते थे। तो इसको आप याद करिए, उसके बाद जाइए वहाँ पर और वहाँ पर जाके मॉक्स लगाइए। आगे चलते हैं। तो quickly starting it off, the first thing is it is for September 2024. So अब मैं शुरू करता हूँ दोस्त। Who became the world's oldest world number 1 ATP ranking in the history? The answer is Novak Djokovic. ठीक है, he is 36 years and 321 days surpassing Roger Federer's record. Next is दोस्तों ये याद रखना, ये सारा का सारा अप्रैल का ही डेटा है। Who dominated the Japanese Grand Prix in 2024 season? The answer is Max Verstappen. He of Red Bull dominated the Japanese Grand Prix in 2024 season. Next is who recently became the first male Indian single player to win a Masters 1000 match? The answer is Sumit Nagal. Sumit Nagal made history by defeating Matteo Arnaldi, securing his first ever win in the ATP Masters. उसके बाद आगे आ जाओ। Which Indian state hosted the inaugural Swami Vivekanand Under 20 Men's National Football Championship? The answer is Chhattisgarh. छत्तीसगढ़। ठीक है, मेंस नेशनल फुटबॉल चैंपियनशिप कमेंस्ड इन नारायणपुर, छत्तीसगढ़, with 32 states. Next, where did Asian Wrestling Championship 2024 took place? It took place in Kyrgyzstan. याद रखिएगा, ये किर्गिस्तान में हुई थी। And they were the host in Bishkek, where Indian wrestler Udit won silver medal in men's 57 category, and Abhimanyu and Vicky claimed bronze medal in their respective weight division. Next, who won National Women Carom title for the 12th time? The answer is Rashmi Kumari. Rashmi Kumari scored 12th National Carom Championship title. What distance did Michaelas Alkena achieved in discus throw to break the world record? The answer is 74.35 meters in the discus throw, breaking the men's world record previously held by Jürgen Schult. Who is the Nepali cricketer who smashed 6 sixes in a single over during the ACC Men's T20 Premier League Cup clash against Qatar? The answer is Dipinder Singh. Which country did Derek Underwood represent as a legendary cricketer? So he was in news recently. Why? Because he was passed away. He passed away at the age of 78, and he was representing England. Who set a new world record for the lowest limbo skating over 25 meters on the April 18, 2024? The answer is Takshivi Waghani. Who won silver medal in the Asian Wrestling Championship 2024? The answer is Radhika. Radhika secured the silver medal in 68 category in the Asian Wrestling Championship 2024. Next is who recently made history as the youngest ever challenger in the World Chess Championship? The answer is Indian chess prodigy Domaraju Gukesh, aged 70, recently made history by winning the FIDE candidate tournament and becoming youngest ever challenger. Next is what profession did Saurav Ghoshal retire from? Saurav Ghoshal is an Indian squash player, announced his retirement from the professional squash. Next, वेयर हैज द आर्चरी वर्ल्ड कप 2024 बिगन? द आंसर इज शंघाई। आर्चरी वर्ल्ड कप जो अप्रैल में हुआ था वो शंघाई में हुआ था। इज ऑल्सो नोन एज हुंडई आर्चरी वर्ल्ड कप एंड हैज कमेंस्ड इन शंघाई। नेक्स्ट, where did the opening ceremony of the first Gulf Youth Games took place? Answer is Dubai. The opening ceremony of the first Gulf Youth Game took place in Dubai Opera, marking the commencement of the games featuring athletes from various Gulf countries. Next is awards. Awards के लिए अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, who has been honored with the International Culture Award for the year 2024? The answer is Meena Charanda. Professor Meena Charanda, principal of Kalindi College, Delhi University, has been awarded this International Culture Award. Next, which organization won Scotch ESG Award 2024 in the Renewable Energy Financing category? The answer is REC Limited. REC, a Maharatna Central Public Sector Enterprise, received Scotch ESG Award in 2024. Who was honored with the Distinguished Overseas Dental Specialist title as a National Fame Award 2024? The answer is Karthik Komuri. Karthik Komuri was honored with the Distinguished Overseas Dental Specialist title at the National Fame Award. Which organization won 15th CIDC Vishwakarma Award for the Barauni Guwahati Natural Gas Pipeline Project? The answer is GAIL. Who received Medal of Honor at the Consular Day 2024 for promoting bilateral relations between Palau and India? The answer to this is that Neeraj Sharma received Medal of Honor at Consular Day 2024 in Chennai. What is the main objective of John L. Jack Swigert Jr. Award for Space Exploration? It is to acknowledge remarkable achievements in the space exploration as highlighted by the ISRO's Chandrayaan 3 mission, receiving the award for the groundbreaking lunar feat. Next, what is Mamta G Sagar known for winning? ठीक है, so she is a Kannada poet. Mamta G Sagar is a Kannada poet who won World Literary Prize for her significant contribution to literature. Who has been honored with the prestigious Aryabhat Award for their contributions to the astronautics? The answer is Puvuluri Subbarao. So he was Pavuluru Subbarao, the founder and CEO and chairman of Anant Technology, has been honored with the Aryabhat Award. Who won the World Press Photo of the Year Award in 2024? The answer is Mohammad Salim, a Palestinian photographer working with the Reuters, won the World Press Photo Year of the Award in 2024. Next, who received the KISS Humanitarian Award 2021? The answer is Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata won this. And with this we finish April part. एंड अप्रैल पार्ट में भी हमने डिफेंस खत्म कर दिया है दोस्तों, और ये सारी चीज़ें खत्म करने के बाद आज हम अवार्ड्स और स्पोर्ट्स को भी हम खत्म कर चुके हैं। इन सारों को पढ़िए, पढ़ने के बाद उसमें जाइए, क्वेश्चन पिटारा में पेपर दीजिए, प्रिपेयर वेल फॉर योर सितंबर अटेम्प्ट। विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।